Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about 42 PhD positions in France and Australia in MSCA COFUND Project. So these PhD positions are available in Australia and France, and they are like providing a very good stipend, monthly allowance. The Australia-France network of doctoral excellence is highly ambitious interdisciplinary doctoral program linking France and Australia with a strong support from industry. AUFRANDE seeks to recruit excellent doctoral researchers of any nationality, gender and background from around the world. AUFRANDE offers the recruited researchers an outstanding experience with excellent working conditions, including full-time employment contract in France with attractive salaries including social security benefits, a unique international research environment, and an innovative research training program in which they will deepen core scientific skills and develop new ones in complementary disciplines sectors. International mobility is a core feature of the program with a residential year in Australia and participation in regular events where researchers share a common experience and build a sustainable community, laying a strong foundation for long-term impact on future collaboration and careers. 42 industry-supported positions are open. Detail and application, you can click here. Benefits for recurrent researchers. Enrollment in a doctoral program in two entities in France and Australia with the chance to award dual doctorates, work on innovative projects of high commercial and social value, be recruited in France under a full employment contract for minimum period of 36 months, earn an above national standard salary including social security coverage. See the world with once in a life experience including 6 to 12 months residential stay in Australia from part of rich multidisciplinary network of researchers and supervisors. Requirement: applicant must meet the academic criteria for the admission to the doctoral program at both France and Australia enrolling universities. Please refer to section 4 for each position description in PDF and to university's website to understand if you meet the entry requirements of the position. Note: you may apply if you are currently enrolled in master program and will graduate during 2024. Additional information: enrollment in doctoral program in two entities with chance to be awarded dual doctorates, work on innovative projects, high commercial social value, and all this. Eligibility criteria: all applicants must fulfill all the following minimum eligibility criteria at the date of call. Applicant must not yet been awarded a doctoral degree. Researchers who have successfully defended their doctoral thesis but who have not yet formally awarded a doctoral degree will not be considered eligible to apply. Applicant may not have resident or carried out their main activity work studies in France for more than 12 months in the 3 years immediately before call deadline. Applicants may not be permanently employed by the chosen research host at the time of the call deadline. Selection procedure: online application. Submit your application. Check the eligibility. Assessment of eligible applicant. First ranking. Interviews: applicants shortlisted by the selection panel will be invited for an interview. Panel ranking: allocation of position. If you have been successful at the interview or preferred candidate for the position, you will receive a conditional offer for the admission. Onboarding of successful applicant: you will need to complete registration process to be enrolled as doctoral candidate at your Two PhD awarding institution in France and study and formalize your employment contract at your research host. You will then receive an offer letter issued by the institutions. Start your application between July and October 2024. Here we can see open positions. These are the open positions in which you can apply for your PhD program, doctoral program. And you need to click here apply here and then submit your application. If you will have any question regarding that application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries, and if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck. I will add the link of this in the description, and you can take a look and apply for that. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much. I wish you best of luck and take care. Bye bye.